I want all the Christians in all over the world, both in America, United Kingdom, in Europe, all the Christians in Africa, please pray for Nigeria. Every day by day, Boko Haram and butchering Christians in Nigeria, and our leaders are keeping quiet. Pray for Nigeria so that God will judge all the Nigerian politicians that are sponsoring this Boko Haram in Nigeria. I want all the Christians all over the world to pray for Nigeria. Christians in Nigeria are suffering. They are doing silent killing in Nigeria, and you not see it on television, and you not hear it on radio. They are covering everything in Nigeria, and everybody are keeping quiet. Everybody are keeping quiet for how Boko Haram and Fulani men are slaughtering Christians in Nigeria every day by day, and you not see it on CNN. Every day by day, Fulani men and Boko Haram have been butchering people in this country, Nigeria, and you not see it on television, and you not hear it on radio station, because the Nigerian politicians are blocking those things. They don't want the world to see what is happening in this country, Nigeria. They don't want the world to know what are the abomination of Boko Haram and Fulani men are committing in Nigeria, because they are the people that are sponsoring them. Nigeria politicians, why you people are wicked? Sponsoring Fulani men and Boko Haram in Nigeria. Nigeria is a country that their leaders, their politicians, drink the blood of their citizens. Last week, they entered Borno State, butcher many people there. Yesterday, they entered Kaduna, butcher many Christians there.